Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Tuesday, September the 26th, 2017. And today in our Tech News Update, we have Microsoft Office 2019 that was announced this morning at the Ignite conference in Orlando, Florida. So basically a new version of Office. We were thinking something was coming up soon, but now we officially know. It's going to roll out in the fall of 2018, so in about a year from now. And if you're an insider in the Office program, you'll be able to actually download it this spring to test it out. So Office 2019 coming up. Well, the Atari box is something that eventually will make a return in the console market for Atari. Will it be successful or not? That's going to be another, another story, basically. Well, it seems that this will be an AMD CPU-based device. It will have a Radeon graphics chip and will use Linux as an operating system, and will be priced around $250 to $300. So this is going to be interesting to see if how it's going to perform and if it catches on. Well, Bill Gates used for a while a Windows Phone. Of course, he's the guy from Microsoft. But now he's using Android. When he was asked what phone he was using, well, we can say that Windows phones are pretty much dead. So he decided to get an Android phone. And he says that he would not get an iPhone. He doesn't like iPhones at all. Well, Brian Thompson is a UK vendor. He's the guy behind selling Kodi boxes, which are kind of, multimedia boxes of all sorts. Well, the problem is he was selling some of them with which called fully loaded, meaning they had everything needed to download pretty much everything you wanted, including illegal content. Well, he was finally found guilty for piracy and illegal content delivery after, first of all, kind of being more of a defiant guy. He finally said that he was guilty. So that's going to be interesting to see the sentence, but also this is interesting because it sets a precedent. Now we'll see how the future goes from here. Does this mean it's the disappearance of the Kodi boxes and fully loaded boxes? Well, macOS High Sierra started shipping yesterday, but one of the things that some security researchers are concerned is that it started shipping with a zero-day flaw that we already know. Now, it is a zero-day flaw that affects every version of macOS, but this one is a little scary because basically what it does, it means that anyone that can actually access your device will be able to get the passwords you have stored in the keychain without ever being asked your password. So basically a lot of security researchers say, well, why does Apple take so long to fix this flaw? It's been discovered about a month ago. And the fact that they're also sending, releasing a new operating system with this flaw kind of baffles some security researchers. Well, this is the Equifax CEO that is now stepping down, or a lot of people are pretty much saying he's being pushed out after the massive data breach that is a major issue for Equifax right now. And one of the reasons why this guy kind of retired also is the fact that a lot of people think that Equifax has not done enough with what is happening right now. Vimeo is a video streaming service, a little bit like YouTube if you want, but it is different because it actually attracts creators of all sorts of HD and very high quality content. So it has kind of its own little niche market for videos. It is also not free, as if you want to have a Vimeo account and post videos, you might need to pay fees. Now they have acquired Livestream, and that lets now users stream live online via Vimeo, and also it of course archives the live stream on the Vimeo website, but you'll have to pay $75 a month to use this service. And finally, Siri and Spotlight were using Bing in the search for a long time. Well, actually, since 2013, when Microsoft and Apple had a partnership. Well, now, starting with basically today, or yesterday, searches that are done on Spotlight or with Siri will be Google searches now. And the only results still using Bing will be image searches. So a move from basically Bing to Google in the search. So this was the Tech News Update for Tuesday, September the 26th, 2017. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching.